When FormX pulls data off the documents, what it reads often isn't what your systems actually need. It might extract a name, an address, or a description. But internally, your systems don't run on names. They run on codes. Say you're a retail real estate processing invoices. Every tenant needs to match to a shop ID. Or you're handling insurance claims. Every clinic on the form needs to match to an in-network provider code. Or you're in finance, a department or expense description needs to become the right cost center code before it can hit your books. Normally, someone has to open a lookup sheet and match it by hand every document, every time. There's a better way to do this: code mapping. FormX AI Code Mapping takes whatever it extracts and checks it against the reference list you upload, then returns the matching code automatically. It works the same way no matter what you're mapping. Merchant codes, in-network clinic codes, cost centers, diagnosis codes, SKUs, anything you need standardized. Let's see it in practice, using an insurance claims as an example. I've already got an extractor set up here. If you'd like to see how to build one from scratch, we've got a separate video for that. Check out our description. Let's set up code mapping. This is where your own reference list lives. In this case, an in-network provider list. Give it a name. Choose custom as the database type. Then add the fields you have in your file. Just make sure the field names are an exact match to your file's headers, including case, and that those headers sit in the first row of your file. One tip is common best practice in databases and coding to name fields in snake case, all lowercase with underscores instead of spaces, like medical _ network _ provider. There's also a default column called code. It can't be renamed, so make sure your CSV has a matching column named exactly code. That's the value FormX matches against. Beyond that, you're not limited to just one extra column, so add any fields your source file has and name them to match. When you're ready, click Create. You can also go into your list anytime to edit or add any fields. Before you import your file, it's worth noting that we currently only support CSV files here. So if your list is in Excel or another formats, export it to CSV first. Once it's imported, go to Data Fields and choose or create the field you want to apply code mapping to. Then connect it to the code database you just set up. You can also select extra fields from the database to include in the extraction. Here, I will check all of these fields. It is optional to add a field description to tell FormX what you're looking to extract. This will enhance accuracy. Think of it as briefing your intern. The more context you give them, the better the output they will return. Under the hood, FormX reads the relevant details of the documents and checks them against your uploaded list, returning the matching code plus any extra fields you selected if it finds one, or no if it doesn't. When you're happy with it, click Save Data Fields and give it a test. You can see it finds a match in the in-network list we set up earlier, automatically returning the internal code for it. One more FormX feature worth a quick mention: Smart Learning. A lot of companies have their own preferences for how output should look to match their own systems. For example, wanting the deposit amount instead of the total amount. Instead of manually adjusting the output to fit that preference every time, you correct it once and FormX remembers for the next document like it. We've got a separate video that walks through Smart Learning in detail. Links in the description. That's all for FormX Code Mapping. Match whatever FormX extracts against your own reference data automatically. If you'd like to see how this works on your own documents, Book a demo with us today.